Okay, so we're going to outline the compatibility issues resulting from situations including legacy systems or business mergers. So what is compatibility? Compatibility is when two things are able to exist together without problems or conflict, like in a computer network, like the hardware and the software working together. What is a legacy system? A legacy system is an out-of-date system, technology, or software application that is still in use and it's maybe not working as well as it should be and it's not very up to date. The advantages of a legacy system is the familiarity allows for a smooth workflow because everyone in the company using the system, they're familiar with what they're supposed to do and how they're supposed to input data and everything, so everything works continuously. If it's still working and efficient in carrying out all the day-to-day tasks, many legacy systems aren't replaced because of this reason. And also it ensures that business operations continue because if you were to replace a legacy system, there's always the risk that the new system may not work, data could be lost, and it could lead to business operations being paused. The disadvantages is that legacy systems are often quite expensive to run as they're sometimes quite inefficient. They have limited flexibility, which means the system can be hard to change or customize, which can lead to businesses struggling to keep up with evolving times in their sector. The system, of course, because it's a legacy system, it may not be able to use certain software, or maybe just in general it isn't working. And additionally, an old interface can be difficult to read, which can lead to misinterpretations of data. And also, if your customers are using it, they can sometimes lose trust in the business because of how old the interface looks, and they may be a bit apprehensive of using your system. Compatibility issues with legacy systems. Legacy systems may support certain data files and formats, but these standards evolve past what the legacy system can handle after a short time, which can lead to the business facing difficulties when transferring data from the legacy system to the new system and could lead to a lot of data loss, which of course can lead to the business operations being paused. And of course, they're unable to use certain software, which can lead to businesses losing out on opportunities. What is a business merger? A business merger is when two companies voluntarily agree to combine to form one larger company, combining their assets. The advantages and what they're aiming to do is to increase their market share and gain economies of scale, which is the advantages a business will get due to their size, like being able to buy machinery in bulk. They'll also be able to make more investments in research from higher profits, and it avoids duplication in the market, which means if a customer is wanting to buy something and they're just one company instead of two, they're automatically going to look towards your business. And it also can prevent closure of an unprofitable business. The disadvantages, as we're going to go on to, is the compatibility issues, the unemployment it leads to due to people having the same job, and could lead to communication problems and is expensive. Compatibility issues with business mergers. Rarely do two businesses in the world have the exact same system, so when two businesses merge, it's a major issue to get their systems to work together. Some of the problems can include language differences. If one company has a legacy system, it can be very difficult to merge it with the software that the other company uses. And for example, if an American and a European business merges, their unit systems will need to be merged since they use different currency, but as well, like if they use the metric system and stuff, and businesses not using the same software environment. But technology is not the only compatibility problem with business mergers. If the culture of the businesses are drastically different, it can also lead to problems. For example, if an innovative entrepreneurial company with a flat hierarchy were to merge with a highly hierarchical, conservative and traditional organization, the employees would have difficulty working together due to the differences. Thanks.